Welcome to my channel Stocks 3HC. In this week, we are going to see one of the outperforming sector, and it is none other than Nifty IT index, which has shown the recent breakout. Along with it, we will also be looking at the few upcoming stocks which can give you a bumper outcome in coming week. Also, we'll be seeing what is the status of our last week suggested stocks. Stay tuned for the same. We have started the series of stocks of the week from the December month, and from December second week onwards, we have so far depicted 8 stocks which are in the radar and they are still running in the market with relative gains. As you can see in front of you, these are the different stocks and having a current market value with reference to the suggested levels. So far as the stocks are concerned, the December series has done very well, and the January series is coping up right now. And we can see that Bharat Forge has given so far 4%. Hindustan Copper has already moved 53% and has been whooping outcome over last couple of weeks. And then Sriji SPG has also given 6%, and Craftsman is also up by 8% and as far as the current market values are concerned. Whereas the Coal India, Torrent Power, MTR Tech, and Krishna Defenses are the stocks of the January, which are right now having a consolidation, and they are in the consolidation phase. As you can see, the Nifty IT index has given very good candle closing above all resistance, previous resistance, and the volume is indicative. None other than that, the RSI is also showing near 60 value on the daily chart. As we can see on the weekly chart as well, the conditions are lucrative, where we can see that weekly candle closing is very high with the volume, and also RSI is above 60. This is actually a current resistance that we can face, but above which if it gives a breakout, the next resistance will be around the next zone to be seen over here as a 46,000 level. Our first stock of the week is none other than TECHM. TECHM has shown a significant movement in the recent past, where we can see a constant up movement in higher high and higher low formation, recent consolidation, and a breakout. The breakout candle is a valid candle having more than 80% of the body part. Apart from that, the volume is indicative for the same. Another than the RSI is also showing the value above 60 level on the daily time frame. So this stock is coming in my radar for the coming week. One can take a review with the advisor and can take an entry for the next zones, which can be acting as a resistance zones and the profit booking zone. Our second stock of the week is LTIM, and LTIM Mindtree has shown a recent breakout above the current resistance area, where you can see a significant up move in the recent past. Along with it, there is a consolidation happened. At the end of the consolidation, there is with volume breakout observed. The recent candle of this stock is indicative that it's a valid breakout with kind of conditions where 3 conditions are matching: volume, the candle size, and RSI. So it's a valid breakout. One can take this opportunity to see for any entry in this stock and can ride up to the corresponding next resistance level for upcoming targets. For seeing how to trade the flags, please watch my video on my YouTube channels how to trade flags. One other things one should note here is the recent gap, which is very evident and visible. Once the stock is moving above this resistance, the other resistance will be the all-time high of this stock. If you like this video, please press like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. For more such videos, please look into my channel where you can find 10x zooming talks and also the flag breakout videos, which will help you to understand this topic in more detail. Stay tuned for such more videos. Thank you for watching.